Hello, welcome to my channel. I am trader and programming developer, with the aim of helping beginners and advanced investor in the financial market. I have been trading over 2 years. In today's video I want to show how to use this indicator correctly. In this indicator you will find many opportunities but you will not take all. So if you take any trade with the signals that will show up on your screen, you will blow up your account and you will lose all your balance. So please, if you want to get highly accurate trades, please watch this video until the end, because if skip it's up to you. Rule number 1, where to buy or sell. You must take trades with confluence. It's mean that you will only take trades when you get 2 confirmations. This way you will only buy or call when arrows appear near of support or resistance lines. I recommend to you use time frame of 2 minutes and expiration time 5 minutes. Let's see the example. Rule number 2, avoid to take trades during the news releases times, because the chart will be highly volatile, and it will not respect your strategy. I recommend you, before you open the chart, go to investing.com to analyses the economic calendar. What is the best time to trade? If you don't know how to amylases the news, please comment below, then I will record video showing how to analyses the economic calendar. Golden rules: don't overtrade. I recommend you to take an average 3 to 4 trades per day, because if you take few trades you will get focused on sniper entry only. Forget about getting rich quick, because it will not happen. Be disciplined and respect your risk management. The indicator link it is on video description. It's for free. Please do not forget to subscribe in this channel for the next upcomes updates.